previously on other videos that you could see uploaded on my YouTube channel. It's my first time shampooing my hair since I got it done. Right now I'm just putting the clarifying shampoo in. Letting it sit for a little bit. My little hairy hairs. I've already recorded a wash routine before. I don't know if I uploaded it on my YouTube channel, but I will. Clarifying shampoo takes all of the product out your hair, gets it really clean. All that buildup, that grease, that hairspray, whatever you was putting in your hair, it gets it on out. Now I have my Owl Pooey shampoo in there. Now the first time it didn't lather because you could tell my hair was dirty. Now with this shampoo my hair is lathering, so that means my hair is getting clean. This step I make sure I scrub my hair really well because I know it's clean. I still scrub my hair with the first, but my hair was still dirty, which is why you use the clarifying shampoo first, because it rips out all that buildup. Now this one actually is getting your hair clean. So you want to scrub, and use your fingertips, not your nails. So like this. And yes, when you wash your hair is supposed to come out when you comb it, because you're supposed to lose at least 100 strands a day. And once your hair gets longer, you're going to notice those hair strands coming out a little bit more. It is okay. That's what it's supposed to happen. So don't freak out every time you take out braids or your hairstyles and wash it, okay? Alright, so now I'm shampooing it for the third time. Sometimes you gotta wash it that third time. I already knew I was gonna do that for mine. So now it's really lathery. Get up in there. Use your fingertips. Clockwise, counterclockwise. Massage that scalp. Comment down below if you want a hair scalp treatment from Sherelle and a scalp massage. And do you see how I'm getting in there? I'm scrubbing with my fingertips. I'm going from the root to the ends, and I'm making sure I'm scrubbing each and every hair strand, making sure that product gets through every piece of that hair is very essential. I know I look crazy, so I decided to pick up the phone so you can see. Look like I done took a bath with the shampoo. Let that shampoo marinate. Also with the conditioner as well. This is the hair that came from the brush. It is normal, okay? Do not freak out because you done combed your hair, brushed your hair, and hair comes out. It's supposed to be like that. The more you see, it's because your hair is longer. And you're supposed to lose 100 strands a day. Okay? Here's my ponytail. I'm about to put my scarf on. I can't find my other one, so I'm gonna put this one on. Get in the shower. Look at my little ponytail. It's curly and stuff. I did not record me making my ponytail. Here's my ponytail. Thank you for watching. See you next time.